Given the following expressions, by the way, this is Algebra 1, Common Core Regions, January 2016. We're looking at question number 4. Given the following expressions, which expressions result in an irrational number? Okay, well here I've got a rational number because it's made out of a ratio, and I'm adding to a rational number that's making because it's made out of a ratio. If I do rational plus a rational number, it will always give me another rational number. So which one is irrational? It cannot be 1, which means I've eliminated answer choice 3 already. Answer choice 2, 1 over 2 is a rational number, it's a ratio. Square root of 2 is an irrational number, and if we want to take a look at that, I can just try putting second square root of 2, and here I get a decimal that it ends in the calculator, but if it goes this far in the calculator, you can pretty much say, this is not ending, and they just rounded here. And I see no pattern, it doesn't look like it's ending. This is an irrational number. Root 2 is an irrational number. So if I add an irrational number to a rational number, I'm going to get irrational. So this is irrational. It's got to include at least 2. So now saying 3 only, it must not be 3. So it's got to be one of these two answers here. Square root of 5 times the square root of 5. Now these two are irrational numbers, square root of 5, square root of 5. But if I do root 5 times root 5, when I'm multiplying my square roots, I can put the thing under it, under just one square root. So now I get square root of 5 times 5, which is equal to the square root of 5 times 5 is 25. And I know the square root of 25 is just 5. This is a rational number. So here I took irrational times irrational, and it gave me a rational number. Well, 3 is a rational number, so it cannot be 3 because I want irrational. Well, and since I see that, it can't be 2, 3, and 4 if 3 is not an option. So my answer has got to be answer choice 1. If you want to continue, I know the square root of 49 is 7. 7 times 3 gives me, they're two rational numbers. It's going to be rational. That's another reason why 4 is not my answer.